Hey everybody, as I mentioned in the last episode with the Italicus Margarita, I know we've missed a few episodes, but it's by design. We've been really gearing up to bring you some really cool cultural-based shows coming up. What are cultural-based shows? They're basically episodes where we talk about either cocktails or spirits that have a really deep tradition where they were made or who drinks them. So we've got some cool ones coming. Also, I've been really tied up and busy with what's going on at work with me. We just started our 12-week Academy of Spirits. I have a waiting list that is twice as big as the people that I can fit in the room. So a lot of work going on with that. In the interim, enjoy this clip that shows you what I do. This is my day-to-day. This is kind of like what my day at work looks like. And I look forward to seeing you soon on Master Glass.